Hello guys, welcome to another edition of our weekly market review. Okay, so you know how we do it. So first we'll consider the performance of our weekly analysis that we did last week, and then we look at what we are looking at for the next week. Alright, so we'll be sharing analysis on what I'm looking at from on the 21st of November to 25th of November. Okay, so starting with xauusd, I only did analysis on gold and GU last week. Alright, so I made mention that gold was able to take off these previous highs that we have, giving on a new structural high on this resistance. So I said this is a supply zone, that it is possible that the market react to this supply zone and then drop to this resistance that we previously have. Okay, so I said this resistance might turn to support and then push the market to the upside, because overall I want to believe that we are now in an uptrend. Okay, but that's if we see the market respect this level. This is the ultimate move that we have to confirm that the market is now in an uptrend, because the market can actually break this level, come down to break this previous resistance that we have here, previous support that we have here rather. So and the market continues to go down. Right, so this is a daily time frame, and we see the market drop from the same level. So if you have picked this trade, we will have had something into the week. Alright, so I was actually expecting big movements in the course of the week, just like we had last week, but the market is quite shaky this week. Alright, so let's check on GBP/USD. So I was also expecting GU to also give us some buys. Okay, I made mention that GU also took off this high, alright, with a very strong bullish candle. Then so I said I was expecting into the market should continue to go higher until this resistance, where we might have some kind of pull back to this previous high, then we continue to go up again. Alright, so don't forget I said I was looking at this level for a sell, also looking at this level for a sell. Alright, so this is on daily time frame on GU. So last week we didn't do any analysis on EUR/USD, so and we didn't do any analysis on AUD/USD last week. Alright, so let's just see how the market moves with our analysis. So this is the analysis on GU. Alright, so let's see how the market moves after we have our analysis. Alright, so this is where the market closed last week, and I said I'm expecting the markets to buy. So let me just play this and see how the market perform. Alright, so now the market actually moved for a buy, but we didn't have much movement on GU. If you check through the charts, the market is just more of consolidating all through the week on GBP/USD. Alright, so let's see what we have on xauusd. Alright, so the market actually closed on Friday very close to this supply level that I said I was looking out to, and I said if the market could push here with some bearish signal, we can go into the market for a sell to this level right here. Okay, so let me just play it and see how the market play out during the week. So we see that the market got to this level and then from there starts to sell. Alright, so this is what we have from our last week trade. Okay, so this week we'll be doing analysis on gold, GU, probably EU and AU if time will permit. Okay, so the setup is still very much valid actually. So going into the week, I'm still expecting gold to still be bearish to this point, and then from here continues to move up. Okay, so my opinion on GU on gold still remains the same. So I'm not going to do anything new. Okay, I'm just going to see how the market will react this week. Okay, so let's come to so I have nothing actually to change my mind on based on what I can see on this chart. So let's see, I'm still bearish to this 1705, at most 1705. Then I'm expecting some bullish movement. Also on GU actually gave me a lot of emotions during the week. I actually stopped playing on GU and I switched to gold. I was just selling gold since Thursday. I was on sale on GU, on gold rather. Okay, so why I entered for a position on GU on Thursday, just going back and forth, back and forth. I just had to edge it, then forget about entering the trade on GBP USD. Okay, but my opinion still remains the same also on GBP USD. Okay, so let's use the remaining time to do some few analysis on what we're expecting on Euro USD. Okay, you know it's still going to be the same because all of these pair are correlated. Okay, but what I want you to practice, what I want you to put in practice is when you do analysis across correlated pairs, try to pick the best setup that actually suits your trading style. Okay, so I might see, like I said, I actually played on xauusd because I feel this is a more solid zone for me to pick a sell. Okay, rather than going for picking any sell at this level here. Okay, this is actually a supply zone, but instead of picking my own sell here, I prefer to pick this one that is very much obvious for me to enter. Okay, so when you do your analysis across board like that, it is always very good for you to pick the one that actually suits your trading style the most. Okay, so I think this is not valid again. So we need to look at what we are into the market. Right, so let me just take all this, excuse me, let me just take all this low out. I don't think they are really relevant to what, or let me just delete everything here. Okay, now what we are looking at into this market is, look at this wonderful supply zone right here. Okay, then we also have a supply zone right here. All right, we also have another one here. Okay, so these are obvious level where the market was giving us a lower lows. Okay, lower lows till we start to have higher highs rather. Then we have another higher high right here. Okay, so the market is probably turning down to give us some kind of bearish, movement to exhaust this movement. But I want you to take note of this. Let's see the Fibonacci retracement of this bullish movement. Okay, so here, from this low to this high, so we have this. So you can see that the market will probably be bullish from this level after having about 50% retracement. So we have this resistance to probably turn to support at this level right here. Okay, or probably we have a demand zone here. So anything between 1.01236 and anything we have 1.00140. All right, 1.10000 actually. All right, so I'll just mark what I'm expecting. So probably the market will drop to this point, and then from here have some bullish movement to take off this previous high. Okay, so I'm going to draw that right now. So first, we're expecting a bullish movement to this, even up to this demand level. Okay, and then we are expecting the market to be bullish from anywhere around this zone. Anywhere around this zone, the market should be bullish. Okay, so we also have another level right here that we should be looking out for. So also, let me mark this. And let me name it. bullish order block or demand zone. So name me this daily demand. So we have this to be our daily demand, alright, and then we have this to be our key resistance level. Okay, so this is what I'm just expecting. Then AUD, let me delete this if I can. But into the week, I'm playing on gold and xauusd. That's already clear. Okay. Well, so let's check for this Fibonacci to. So we have this movement to this downside, and then we see the market rejecting from this level of 61. Okay, so if you are a student of Fibonacci, stuff like that, you know that the market is, giving us some kind of continuation of trend right here. Okay, so basically what we will be expecting is for the market to start dropping from this level. Okay, but I want to believe that the market will stop at this daily demand zone. Okay, so let's just name this also to be our daily demand zone. So we have this to be our daily demand. Okay, so since we have this to be our daily demand, what we are expecting is for the market to should drop to this point, and then from this point continue to go up to take up this high. Alright, so we are looking for a buy from anywhere around this level. We are looking for a buy anywhere around this level, and then we are looking for a sell to the same level. Okay, this is the daily time frame, guys. So you know how you do your risk, and then you can go down to a lower time frame to pick your entry, for if you are very much concerned about your risk to reward and the likes. Alright, so this is what we are looking at on AUD USD, Euro USD, GBP USD still remain the same. Our analysis on xauusd still remain the same. Alright guys, so this is what I'm expecting into the week, and I will try to, let me make it on. I'll publish this also, and attach the link to the analysis on the YouTube. Alright, so cheers guys, have a nice week ahead.